You belong to pastor's family. Go outside. Pastor's family, this is your time. Shepherd, children, and all the rest of them. If you are you are part of the pastor. But I know say the elders, you are part of the pastor because no decision made in this church without you and pastor agreed. So elders, please go and bring your pastor in with a joyful movement.
Elders, you bring your pastor in.
Bring your pastor in. Your pastor, elders, bring your pastor in. Deaconesses, if it is your pastor, go and bring your pastor in. Choir, if it is your pastor, go and bring your pastor in. But if it is not your pastor, sit tight. Deaconesses, if it is your pastor, go and bring him in. But if it is not your pastor, sit down. Youth, if it is your pastor, bring your pastor in. Youth, pastor, visiting pastor, you can also bring your fellow pastor in. He's wearing suit as you are putting on suit. Thank you, Pastor. This is the last stage we are coming. Get seated. 1, 2, we want to take church. Let's get seated. Let's get seated. Let's get seated. Let's get seated. Pastor, take me to. Okay. Are we seated? Thank you. We have come to the Pastor, are you there? We need your presence here, please. Our visiting pastor, so we need your presence.